One of the advantages of building a design sketch with construction lines is that we can see our ideas taking shape on the page before us. It's almost a transitional phase between the idea being solely in our minds, where only we can see it, to the idea being on paper for everyone to see. We're using construction lines to help our design ideas come to life. As the design ideas reach completion, we're left with the construction lines as part of the final design sketch. These construction lines enhance our work and provide a record of the design decisions we've made as we've developed our ideas. So why do we call them construction lines? Well, we use them in the same way that builders use scaffolding as a supportive structure. Scaffolding enables building work to commence and the building to take shape. Construction lines enable our design work to commence and our design ideas to take shape. They facilitate the migration of our design ideas from our minds to the paper in front of us. An important byproduct of our construction lines is that we're left with design ideas that have an almost see-through quality. This leaves us with no doubt about the shape of the product we're looking at, how the surfaces relate to each other, and any other details which may have otherwise been hidden. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notifications tab if you found this video useful. Find me on Instagram for some behind the scenes interest, and check out my website productdesignermaker.com for downloadable resources. Thanks for watching.